Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on INFINIX Note 11 Pro. So we have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click all services and you have to find parental controls, and then click let's do this. Now click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click accept. And now click on supervise. And then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to swipe all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Then click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.